Retainers in my office are $250 per arch. A lot of people don't understand the process behind the manufacturing of retainers, but it is quite an involved process, and it takes several hours to construct each custom-made retainer. The retainers are made from an impression that we take of your teeth. That impression is poured up into a plaster cast, which is trimmed and examined. They then construct the plastic part of the retainer, which is the backbone. That is made by using special plastic, orthodontic plastic, and each of those are custom made. So it's made on the mold that we made for you. Embedded within that plastic are these little clips that clip onto your molars that hold the retainer in place. Those have to be custom bent and made by a custom or a certified dental technician who has a specialty in orthodontic appliance fabrication. And it would take an individual like that, 1 to 2 hours to make your retainer. That retainer is then processed in a water bath for about a half an hour under high pressure. And then we take the rough retainer out of that and off the mold that we make, and then it has to be polished and trimmed and then fit by the orthodontist to make sure that it's comfortable. Because of that, there's many steps that are involved in fabricating a good quality retainer. But because retaining the teeth is so very important, I do try to make and provide my patients with the best quality retainer that I can make, which is traditionally a Hawley retainer, which is the one with the wire. We like those because they are long-lasting, they're strong, they're adjustable, they're repairable, and quite frankly, they hold the teeth the best. So that's the one I recommend for most of my patients. Other retainers that we have are similar to like Invisalign. They're just clear plastic. And the way we make those is we take a similar mold of your teeth, we pour it up in plaster, and then we use a special machine that heats a thin sheet of plastic and it vacuums it forms it to your mold, and then we trim it and fit it to your mouth. The downside to that kind of retainer is it's made completely of plastic, and it doesn't last as long. So those kinds of retainers require more frequent replacement. They will stain more, and they will lose their grip and tightness more quickly than the traditional Hawley retainer.